كل شيء يسير بسلاسة. الأرقام متطابقة.
جيد جدا. راقبوا خط 500 ريال.
The Saudi currency system officially began during the reign of King Saud bin Abdulaziz Al Saud on June 14, 1961.
The temperature is stable at 95 degrees.
The purification rate remains optimal across all drums. The security threads are integrated with microscopic precision. AI calibration systems confirm alignment accurate in real time. Here, microscopic chemical additives are precisely mixed, creating the next generation of anti-counterfeit security ink.
Look at the verification screen. The durability metrics are exceeding the target range.
Reorganization of the purification sequence is highly efficient.
The brown tone registration is fluctuating slightly here.
Here we see the arrival of the steel plates, where AI analyzes every dimension in real time.
As you can see on the diagnostic graph, the pressure balance is stabilizing across the cylinder.
Excellent. The AI optimization is working.
Zoom in on the micro patterns for the 100 Riyal note.
The detail holds up under magnification. The engraving should be precise.
The calibration arms ensure microscopic accuracy before the high-precision laser begins the security mapping sequence.
The microscopic detail on this anti-counterfeit texture is flawless.
The AI confirms optimal depth across the entire surface.
The anti-counterfeit grids are aligning perfectly.
The portrait details are flawless at this magnification.
Check the registration on cylinder 3. It's drifting slightly.
I see it. Adjusting the alignment now.
Here in the classified chamber, robotic ultraviolet systems apply invisible secure layers to the Riyal sheets. The pressure levels are stable.
Good, let's increase the speed by 5%.
The ink saturation on the third pallet was inconsistent.
Confirmed. The system diverted it immediately.
Scan complete. Fluorescent density and alignment confirmed. Anti-counterfeit integrity verified.
The automated systems ensure flawless stacking, with real-time analytics tracking every note.
Check the alignment on the 500s.
It is within tolerance. The margin is perfect.
As you can see on the AI screen, we've processed over 1 million riyals this hour alone. As you can see on the AI screen, we've processed over 1 million riyals this hour alone.
Inventory count matches the manifest. Alert status remains green.
We have full synchronization across all server rows.
And the allocation metrics are holding steady at 99.8%. Check the airflow on level 7.
Reading stable. The humidity levels are optimal for long-term storage.
Anomaly detected in the Al Raji shipment. Rerouting AI analysis now.
Acknowledged. Dispatching ground team.
This facility ensures the secure and synchronized distribution of the national currency across the kingdom.